How to use Instagram story question stickers. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I will show you how to add this type of questions. So first you want to go to this plus icon, which is in the right top corner, like you usually do when you want to share a story or create a story. So next to those three lines, click on the plus and then click on story. So after that you have to upload a photo or take a photo. So I will just go to uploads. I already downloaded some cute photos. So I will go with this one. And once you did that, you have to go to the stickers icon and then go to questions. And here you can write everything you want. You can ask people to ask you some questions about a certain thing or anything. So I will just write ask me anything or ask me a question. And also, if you have a product or something, you can ask people what are their opinion about that product or about you. So let's finish our story. You can set a color to this, so you can click on it, then click on that color palette from the top of the page. I will leave it like this, and you can also add some music to it. Once you are happy with it, you can click on done, and you can place this wherever you want. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can also add some effects. So click on that and choose an effect. I really like this effect. Once you liked it, you can click on done and then click send to, and then click to your story and share and done. So now we have our story right here. And then if someone asks you a question, you will find it in the left bottom corner. So I will go to my other account and ask a question. You can type right here something. And now I will go back to my other channel and I will go to my story. And here I have to click, like I said, in the left bottom of my screen. And here are the questions. And everyone will be able to see them. So if you want to reply to this question, you have to click on it. Then click on share response or send message. If you click on send message, you will send a direct message, a DM, and if you share the response, you will share it as your story. And the user will not be public. So you can also choose a photo or take a photo. I will go to my uploads, like I said, and then you have to go to text to reply to it. And you can say cats or dogs or doesn't really matter. You can change the type of the text just like this. Make it bigger or smaller. And once you are happy with it, you can click on send to and then click on your story and share and done. So now let's go back and see our reply. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.